Niharika, and welcome back to a new lesson. Well, generally, when we talk about someone's skin type or skin texture, the words that we use are normal, oily, sensitive, and dry. Well, that's pretty boring. Now, if you have to appreciate someone's skin, like someone has this perfect skin, and if you want to use positive words in English, what do you say? Hey, look at you, you have normal skin. Well, you don't do that. In English, we have better words to appreciate someone's skin. And that's what we're going to learn today, the different types of skin or skin textures. We will start with the first one, which is blemish-free, or another word that you can use in English is flawless. Well, this type of skin is used for the people who have the perfect skin. So a woman or a man who does not have any dark patches or dark spots on their face, it means that they have a nice blemish-free skin. So it looks nice, it shines, so definitely it is flawless skin. So this is one of the positive words like blemish-free or flawless that you can use to appreciate someone who has that perfect skin. Moving on to the second type of skin is glowing skin. So what glows? Well, the sun glows, bright light glows. So when you talk about someone's skin, does that really glow? Well, yes, glowing skin, well, every woman who dreams to have that, I really want to have some glowing skin to look beautiful. Well, it means that you expect your skin to be radiant and well hydrated. So someone who has that radiant look and hydrated skin, well, the correct word to use in English is glowing skin. Okay, moving on to the next skin type, which is silky. Well, silk, which is really smooth, right? So we use the word silky skin or another word which is velvet. Velvet is also very smooth and soft. So someone who has that silky or smooth and soft skin, great words or great positive words that you can use for such type of skin is silky or velvet. Well, like my neighbor. Like if you touch her, her skin is just like a baby, so soft. Like she's just so pretty. She has that beautiful, soft and smooth skin. So I would say that she has silky or velvet skin. Moving on to the next type of skin, which is photo damaged. So someone clicks a bad picture of you and you say, oops, it's photo damaged. Well, that's incorrect. When you talk about photo damaged skin, what it really means is that when you are exposed to harmful UV rays, like the ultraviolet rays, well, it tends to damage your skin, okay? You would, if you are exposed to the sun for very long hours, and if you spot like dark marks on your face or red marks on your face, it means that you have damaged your skin. The harmful UV rays have damaged your skin. So now your skin is photo damaged. Okay, so last weekend when I went out with my friends and it was so hot and I was exposed to the bad rays, the bad UV rays, and hence I photo damaged my skin. Okay, so photo damaged is when your skin is damaged, when you spot dark marks on your face or on your hands. That's photo damaged for you. Okay, so exposed to UV rays tends to damage your skin. Moving to the next type of skin that I have for you is youthful skin. Now, youthful skin, you can't really use this skin type for young people because if you're young, you definitely have that youthful skin, right? You can use the other words, but not youthful. Well, youthful skin is typically used for older people. So someone who is in their 40s, but still they don't look like they're in their 40s because they look so young. They have this youthful skin, just like someone who would be in their 20s. Okay, so that's more like a compliment for older people. So next time you meet someone who is in their 40s or 50s and you see that they have such great skin, like you can't spot any wrinkles on their face. There are no black marks on their face. And you're like, wow, look at you. You have such youthful skin. Okay, so that person will be really happy. You would definitely make their day. So youthful skin is skin type that is just like young people. So you can use this for older people, okay? Moving on to the next type of skin, which is acne prone. Yeah, every woman dreads having acne prone skin. Well, acne prone skin is when you are constantly prone to breakouts. Like you wake up in the morning, you look at yourself in the mirror, and guess what? You spot this awful red big pimple and you're like, ugh, I hate this. So if you are prone to regular breakouts on your face, it means that you have acne prone skin, okay? Alright, moving on to the next type of skin that I have for you, which is porcelain skin. Now this is definitely what every woman dreams. I would love to have porcelain skin. So porcelain skin actually means the perfect skin, pretty much like blemish-free and flawless. Okay? Porcelain, regardless the color of your skin, if you have no wrinkles, no dark spots, no acne, and you look beautiful, like your skin is just so soft and smooth, well, that's porcelain skin for you. So someone who has that perfect skin, regardless of the color of the skin, it means you have porcelain skin. Okay? And then the last type of skin that I have for you is mature skin. Well, mature skin, it means aging skin. So like when you grow old, you tend to have wrinkles, you tend to have crow's feet on your face, right? Your skin gets really wrinkled up. So you would not really say that I look old or my skin is aging. Well, a better word to use is mature. Like I have mature skin, so I stay away from the makeup. Okay, so that's how you can use this in English. So these are the different types of skins or skin textures. So next time you're appreciating or talking about your skin to someone, you know what exact words you should end up using. So start using them because they're really simple, and I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.